We've created a world that is not in harmony with nature. And in the long haul, we cannot continue if we're at odds with nature. It's a force bigger and larger than we are. It's a body we need to care for.
Two big challenges. The first one is actually that we don't recognize that it is a challenge. That is quite dramatic, actually, that despite the fact that the world of politics, the world of business, is really starting to understand that climate change is real, and it's starting to have impacts on the economy, it's starting to have impacts on human lives across the world. At the same time, we don't see the political action. So one challenge is to make everyone understand that this is a transformational agenda, and the second one is to start really putting the money behind the investments in the solutions.
Our land is broken. What I mean by that is our land isn't functioning anymore. If we take the analogy of a cup, and a cup is designed to hold water, right? Actually, soil is designed to hold water. Soil organic matter that's humified, for example, can hold 20 times its weight in water. It's a super sponge that nature invented. When we till and leave the soil bare and put on too many chemicals, we are breaking that system, so it no longer functions. So then we have a broken land which fortunately can be regenerated so that it works again.
We need to halt our consumption patterns and put in place clear guidelines so that people understand that what they're consuming, in particular if it has high carbon footprint, must stop.
The climate science is clear. We need to cut global emissions by half in 10 years' time, and that is nothing less than a state of emergency.
Only about 3% of investment in climate solutions is focused on the land sector. We need to up that game. You know, there's a famous conservationist, Barry Commoner, who once said there's an interconnectedness of everything. We cannot think just individual sector by sector by sector. We need to put all this together, and that means the forestry sector, the agriculture sector, the water management sector, and indeed even the connectivity of all of that to cities all need to come together in integrated kind of systems solutions. We need to amplify our ambitions, and we need to do it now. So there's time, but time is short.
The window is closing. It's still open, but it's closing very rapidly.